Hi dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to hide purchase cost for stock items. It's not for all items. Which are the items you need to hide the purchase cost that you can specify as per user base. So in default tally, it's not possible. For this, you need to add one additional add-on. This add-on is available in our portal, so you can purchase from there. The link is in my video description. You can check the purchase description. So right now I will show you how it's work. So first I'm going to load this TCP. This is the TCP file. So I'm going to load this TCP. Here you can see this is a TCP path. The total path you need to copy. Then load the TCP in your computer. Go to help, TDL and add-on. Then manage local TDL. Select local TDL, make it yes. Then paste that code here. Enter and save it. Now TCP was loaded. Again, come to your gateway of Tally. Then we need to go the user level and password security. So in this company, I already created one main admin user, then two sub user. So this is my stock details. In stock query, you can see three items is there. All the three items, cost and all the details is visible. So I am going to hide sample items one for some of the users. Okay. So you can go the user and password setup, company. Here you can see user and password. This user and password, two user is there. User one yes and another one is H. Okay. The user level is owner. That is not a matter. Any level you can give. So I'm just giving the username as yes, password also yes. Then here you can see one additional option is there, hide cost. Okay. If you need to hide cost for this user, you need to make yes, otherwise no. So I'm giving no. Then second user name is H, password already given. Then here option is hide cost. I am going to hide cost for this user. Then press yes. After user level setup, we need to configure this hide option each stock item. That means which stock item you need to hide for this user, that we need to predefine. For that, go to alter, then stock item. Here you can see in this tally there is three stock item is there. So I am selecting the sample item 1. Then here, so there is an additional field is there, hide cost. Make it yes. That means for this user, cost of this stock item will be hide. So I'm just saving this screen. Then we can check with that user level. In admin user, all the details is visible. Stock item 1, 2, 3. So this is admin user. So I'm log out from the admin and log into that specific user. Change user. Okay. This is the user. So I'm logging with that user. Then we can check stock sub query. So here sample item only quantity is available. There is no cost part because we already assigned this block for this specific user in the user level and item level. So if you press enter, it's only showing the outward. There is no inward value. Enter. That user can't able to find any cost part of this stock items. Not even the stock summary, all the report. So we can check other report, display more report, inventory books, stock item. There is no part. In second item, sample item. So user can find all the rate, cost, all the details is there. Okay. Then statements of inventory, stock query. This is the first item, sample item. So there is no cost area. Okay, closing balance is only. There is no cost related area is there. Then movement analysis also. User can't able to find any cost related area. Again, we can check with the other user. So I'm just going to change the user, company, change user, yes, and yes. Okay. So we can check the stock summary. In yes user, all the cost and all the part is visible. That means it's only applicable for the specific user for the specific items, not for the all users. Using this module, you can assign user-wise, item-wise, cost hide options. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel.